Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my Arrma Kraton EXB out, and I am in the beautiful state of Colorado. I'm just outside of Denver, and I'm traveling for work, and I found this nice park. I just got done doing some trailing and some off-roading with my tracks at Summit. I'll go ahead and put a card in the corner of the video if you want to check out the video at the Summit. Fortunately, the Summit, that ended with a breakage, unfortunately, but we have the Arrma Kraton. This might not be the best environment for it, but we're going to find some pretty cool things to maybe jump over and rip around in this parking lot and just have a bunch of fun. So I'm running around 6S, so let me go ahead, get her hooked up, and we're going to jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, here we go. Yeah, surprisingly enough, after like 3 bashes now, the body's still in pretty good shape. I haven't reinforced it or anything. Really like the look of the red. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So I'm running 10K weight fluid in the rear, and both diffs are open, by the way, but 10K diff fluid in the rear and 60 weight in the front. And that seems to work pretty well. We need to get a launch in. Ready, get set, go! This machine has been a ton of fun since it started working properly, because from the beginning I had so many issues with it, but more recently, ever since I put the version 5 diffs in, cross my fingers it stays that way, but it's been working flawlessly. How about another launch, but from the front this time? 1, 2, 3, go! Tumble! Gotta get over to it. It's very annoying. I need to get new batteries for this real quick. I think I have some extra ones. I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, got some new batteries in, so we're good to keep on ripping. Tumble! Let's get it flipped back over and keep on going. I kind of want to go down there on the trail, bash through a little bit of the snow. There's some snow back there, so I don't imagine this thing's going to crawl very well since it has open differentials. It would need very thick diff fluid for it to be able to crawl, like at all. We can still have some fun though. I can bash around in here a little bit. I think I'm stuck on something. There we go. Oh, tumble. Let's go a little bit further down the trail, and there's some more snow down here. Launch. Upright. Yeah, this is definitely not the terrain this thing's necessarily meant for, especially once I get back here, because this is where I was trailing the summit. But there's some snow back here that I want to rip through. Could we break the EXB? Yes. But is it worth having fun? Yeah, I'd say so. EXB might not be the worst crawler in the world. It's kind of funny to see this thing going through the rocks like this. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't want to go off of there. Ooh, we do have a spot where I'm going to have to carry it. Got a little snow right here. Ooh, rock. Right into a rock. Wonder if I can make it up onto this rock right here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Enough speed, I bet you I can make it up on it. King of the mountain. See, here's open diffs for you. Success power. Tumble. Let's get over to it. Did we just break something? I think we just broke something. Yep, we spun the hex. I can see in there the hex is spun on this tire. Holy crap. Holy crap. The heck? It literally just melted the plastic. I don't know if you guys could see that. It literally was smoldering for a second. That wheel is no longer... I've never had that happen before with a wheel. Ever. Now it has quite the wobble to it. And it's not really being driven anymore either. Well, let's keep on going. Who cares? As long as the wheel stays on. Three-wheel drive. Oh, there goes the wheel. Did we lose the wheel nut? No, for once the wheel nut's still on there. See, the wheel nut didn't even ever come off. It literally, that's still on there like really tight with the thread lock. It literally just chewed right through the inside of the wheel. melted all that plastic, and then the wheel spun off. I've never seen that before. Let me know if you guys have ever seen that before in the comments down below. I mean, I was ripping it pretty hard. It must have been, maybe it was a built-up thing where after doing all that, it just got so hot. But it was when I was doing the little bit of cyclones, and I noticed it was wobbling. I'm like, uh-oh, something happened. I thought that we one of the bearings got destroyed, and I thought that's why it was flopping around. But actually, the bearings are all right. Bearings are not the issue. Huh. Well, you see something new every day. Stuff breaks when you use it, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this back on, and I'm not going to be able to get that wheel nut off. I'm going to destroy that rear tire next. Doing surprisingly well. I don't know, it's so much fun still. If it will still drive, why not just keep on bashing it? Yeah, it could break something more, but who cares? Oh! Still got the wheel nut. Oh, I thought she was gonna make it through. Okay, I better stop at this point. Well, this might be the end of the video, guys, but if you enjoy the little bit of ripping I did with the EXB, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because I travel for work. I bring my RC cars with me wherever I go, so you don't want to miss that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Later.